guys, let's see this stock Bajaj Auto. Okay, Bajaj Auto is given a rally from 2830 levels to 4362 level. Okay, and from that level, if it is going upside, then it will give some sort of a correction, right? And this correction phase is around 0.618% of the total high or low, swing high and swing low journey. Okay, the stock is sustaining around 0.618. Okay, and if it breaks this 0.618 level, say 37703765, then only we will think of short selling this on intraday for the target of 3647. Okay, the target is around 2 to 3%. So if the stock sustains below this 3765, 3760, then only we will think of selling it. Okay, until or unless we will assume that the stock which has given this much downside rally, and because of some sort of American market stimulus package, the stocks may even give a good upside rally. So in that case, if we will think of buying Bajaj Auto, then we will only consider buying this stock above this resistance line. Okay, above this resistance line. If this resistance line is broken, then only we will think for buying. So majorly you can see that 4030 is also some sort of a resistance, which is a Fibonacci number. So we will have to be careful in this stock Bajaj Auto tomorrow. We will have to see the sectorial index of auto and trade it accordingly. Okay, thank you for watching.